Alright, let's now proceed and let me talk now about operators. I already used few of them, and let's start with assignment operator. Here let's define new variable a, and afterwards let's assign value to it using assignment operator, a equals sign 10. Assignment operator is binary operator. It has two operands, left operand and right operand. Right operand is value, and this value is assigned by JavaScript to the variable that has name that is located on the left side of the assignment operator. There are also other binary operators, like for example plus. And here I could use plus operator and increment value of the variable a by 1. And I could reassign value to the variable a afterwards, so a plus 1 like that. First, JavaScript will perform this operation. Plus is also binary operator with two operands, left operand and right operand. So a value will be incremented by 1, and afterwards new value 11 will be assigned to the same variable a. So first JavaScript performs this plus operation, and afterwards assignment operation. And it means that all operators in JavaScript have precedence. Great. Let's now look to the console value of the variable a, like that, and we expect to get 11. Also, if you want to increment value of existing variable by any number, for example by 1, by 2, by 5 and so on, you could use another operator, and it is plus equal operator. Here you could type a plus equal, for example 1. And let's again print to the console value of the variable a. And now value of the variable a is 12. Because here we used plus equal operator, and first it increments value of the variable a by specific number, for example, and afterwards reassigns this value to the same variable. You could avoid using those two operators and use just one instead. There is also minus equal operator that decrements value of the variable by specific number, for example 10, and now value of the variable a will be 1. Also, there is a multiplication equal operator that will multiply value of the variable a by specific number, and now I get result 110. It's value of the variable a after this multiplication. You could also perform operations with different variables. For example, let's define variable a with value 10, and let's define another variable with value 2. And afterwards I could perform different operations with those variables. For example, I could create one more variable c and assign to it a value that is equal to a plus b. And now if I print to the console value of the variable c, I'll get 12. Because here we used plus operator that has two operands, we added values of the variable a, it is 10, and value of the variable b, it is 2. And result 12 was assigned to variable c using assignment operator, and now value of the variable c is 12. But recap that if I used here const, I'm not able to reassign value to those variables. If I attempt to do that, for example c plus equal 1, I'll get on code type error assignment to constant variable.